change the cable, you're going to need a fill tool here. So I have this extension 3A and a small little extension here as well. And this 11mm 12-point socket and vice grip. I didn't really need it, but just in case I need it, and definitely a screwdriver. I have this reed bar here. If I need more leverage that this extension cannot do, then I'll just stick the thing in and I will wind a torsion spring. So this little bar here, this tension 3A, it fit into the hole nicely. So I was able to jam it against the header of the garage door, which I'm going to show you how to do that. And the 12-point 11mm actually go into the square nut over the torsion drum. Instead of using the adjustable wrench, use this 12-point. It fit nicely. So this video about showing how to replace the torsion cable. The cable basically attached to the bottom of the garage over the pin at the corner, each corner of the garage, and it has this little crimp thing here going to the tension drum above the garage. You can see this cable is pretty rusted. One of them is actually broke, and this one is start to fray, and it's a matter of time it's gonna break. So I'm going to show you how to change this cable. Door opener, you need to unhook it. So that way the door can move freely by hand, and then you can test the plate. This thing here up. And I put the extension right on the torsion spring. Move this bolt here, like loosen it up, and push this beam out in order to get access to the torsion cable, because this will block, and your view of cable is very hard to get to it. Cable, using a screwdriver, that's a new cable, into that pin at the bottom, and route the new cable behind these sensor here. You should follow the groove. It's spinning around until you get right to the groove, and the cable should be snug, and now you can tighten that wheel. And to tighten it, I use 11mm socket. That would fit over this nut right there, 11mm 12-point. So I tighten it up. Make sure the cable goes straight down and not rubbing onto anything. Not rubbing the door, not rubbing the frame. And tighten this, not too tight. Don't want to make a mark on this torsion shaft. Now I'm going to remove this from here by pulling this thing up and drop the extension out. Slowly put the spring down